I hate my brother. So annoying.
What, Spike?
Okay.
Get
okay,
it.
Ready? Oh.
Where'd it go? There it is.
Right here.
It must feel good to hit himself on the head with it.
He also likes to stuff it under things. Say, Sierra, you're supposed to be the volleyball girl. You see this about these guys who've been to every Super Bowl?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not jumping up here.
Oh, good one, Spike.
Where's the little knob?
Go boom.
Way to go.
That's for you. What an insane dog.
I mean, it all fit and they're in each.
What you got?
Open your present, Spike.
What you got?
Flashy, sir.
Get me out of here.
Flashy.
What is it? Here, Frankie. You know what it is?
Yay, Frankie.
Let's go with you
Here's a
10
shiny
seconds.
dog. What you got,
15
Spike?
seconds.
Guarantees a vacuum job later.
There you go, 20 seconds.
God.
Cheat.
Yeah, big time.
What, can you
Yeah, you
hand
like-
it to me? Or you said like, blah, blah, blah. Can you hand it to me?
That's not you. It's some shaggy guy.
Yeah, that's some dirty hippie.
Crazy?
And then, of course,
A
he's got
wild
to
dog.
go.
I can't smile.
One little
Just
bit
the
at a
thing.
Your old
time.
neck.
I know. What is it?
I'll get something big in a minute.
What is, oh, you better look
Now
and
he's
Well,
see.
you gotta get the rest
Better
of
look
it.
and see what it
Oh,
is.
he's ready for another one.
He's
You
like,
just wad up Christmas paper
Yeah,
and
I
get
was
it
watching
done.
him like run around.
He'd be so happy.
So long and
He'd be totally content with life.
knows that